Hello and welcome to the DIY session on spark plug replacement. A spark plug is a primary component that ignites your engine to life. It plays an important role in the performance of your motorcycle. An excess carbon deposit on the spark plug may lead to misfiring or ignition problem. It might also affect your motorcycle's mileage. So regular checkup or replacement will give you enhanced performance. It's an easy and simple task. Before you start, ensure you have these two tools. 2 spark plugs, tubular spanners, screwdriver. These are available in your motorcycle toolkit as well. You will also need a new spare spark plug, which can be purchased from an authorized Benelli service center near you. It is always recommended to use a genuine Benelli spark plug. Ensure you switch off the engine kill switch and ignition. Before removing the spark plug, blow the dust away in the surrounding area to prevent it from falling inside the cylinder head. First, switch out the spark plug cap from the spark plug. Now remove the spark plug with the help of a plug spanner and screwdriver. Check the spark plug for excess carbon deposition and then clean it with a soft cloth. If the carbon deposit is old and tough to clean, you may have to replace it. Place the new spark plug into the cylinder head area and tighten it firmly. Now connect the spark plug cap and press it. Ensure it is perfectly fitted to avoid misfiring. Now your Benelli is ready to roar.